Hello, little learners! Welcome back to Moonlit Meadows Tales. Do you wear your school uniform in the morning? Or maybe cozy pajamas at night? In this video, we'll learn all about the clothes we wear. So get ready to test your knowledge with our fun Get Dressed quiz and see how many you can get right. We wear on our feet. Good job! Shoes protect our feet when we walk. What keeps our head warm? Did you get it right? Beanie keep us warm. What do we wear to cover our legs? Shorts or trousers keep our legs covered. Well done! When it rains, we wear Great thinking! Raincoat keeps you dry on rainy days. We wear on our hands. Gloves keep our hands warm. You're doing well. What does she wear when she goes to a party? Nice work! Dress is perfect for parties and special events. What do students wear in school? That's right! School uniforms make us look neat and smart. What do we wear when we sleep? Pajamas are soft and comfy for bedtime. What do we put on when we go swimming? Swimsuits are made for water activities. Well done! What keeps us warm in cold weather? Jackets are perfect for cold days. Keep it up! What do we wear around our neck in winter? Scarves keep our necks warm and cozy. What do we wear when we go hiking? Excellent! Boots protect your feet when walking on rough ground. We use to fasten our trousers. The correct answer is belt. Belts help keep our trousers from falling down. What do we wear to protect our head from the sun? are useful on sunny days. Great job! Mervik goes to sleep wearing. Pajamas help us sleep comfortably. Desmond goes to the football field wearing.
Goal!
The correct answer is sport attire. Nice try. Every wrong answer brings you closer to the right one. We wear at the beach. That's right. Swimsuits are perfect for swimming. Keep going. Michael wear for a formal event. The correct answer is tie. Tie make us look neat and smart. Do you like this t-shirt? The correct answer is yes, I do. Good effort. Does Mervik like these caps? Great! He likes those caps. We use yes. He does for a boy. Does Tom like blue jackets? That's right. Tom doesn't like jackets. We use. No, he doesn't. Does Lily like her new shoes? Perfect! Lily loves her new shoes. Great observation. Does Ryan like his blue jeans? Ryan doesn't like his blue jeans. Does Emma like her colorful socks? Wonderful! Emma likes her colorful socks, they keep her feet warm. Does Amy like this pink dress? Well done! Amy is a girl, so we say yes, she does. Cotton comes from? The answer is plants. You can wear cotton shorts and t-shirts. Wool comes from? You can wear woolen sweaters and socks. Leather comes from? The answer is cow. You can wear leather shoes and jackets. This is Kevin, he is wearing her yellow. and blue. You're learning so well, keep it up. This is Sally, she is wearing a red Christmas. And orange. Great job, everyone! Even if you didn't get it right, now you've learned something new. That's how smart learners grow. You did such an amazing job today. Now you know what to wear, whether it's sunny, rainy, or bedtime. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss our next fun learning adventure on Moonlit Meadows Tales. See you in the next video. Goodbye!